Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Websites Builder and want to accept PayPal payments in 2026, this is the official supported setup that actually works, secure, simple and reliable. So key truth, you should not embed PayPal buttons or scripts manually. Instead, Hostinger Websites Builder supports PayPal natively through its built-in payment system. So most people will run into problems because they try to code PayPal, so we will not do that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Hostinger Websites Builder to PayPal in 2026 the right way. So first thing first you have to do is to create or log into PayPal website. Okay, so log into or create an account, preferably use a business account, complete basic verification. You will authorize this account from Hostinger later. Okay, so now open payment settings in Hostinger. Okay, so go to websites. Okay, you have to upgrade your account in Hostinger first. Okay, so websites, edit websites, open store payments, and then accepts payments. So names may vary slightly depending on plan. You must have store or online payments enabled. So now connect PayPal to Hostinger Websites Builder. So inside payments, select PayPal, click connect PayPal. You will be redirected to PayPal, log in and authorize Hostinger then and return to Hostinger. The connection is confirmed. Okay, so no email, passed-in or API keys required. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.